Description of the origin of the U3 series machine. When the machine is turned off, move the pen to the position you need. Turn on the power. At this time, this point is the origin position. For example, I need to set the origin at this location. I want to adjust the origin to here. Turn off first. Then move the nib to this position. Power on. At this point is the origin position.